Hey guys, today I want to show you how to change the back wheel spring on this Mercedes C-Class. Since the spring is basically supporting the whole weight of the car, they can get worn and allow the car to bounce more than usual on bumps, and it can increase the body roll when you turn into a corner. Also, since this C-Class is a coupe version, the back wheels are designed to be lower than the front, and if the spring is weak, they will look like the suspension is broken. With a 10mm socket, there are two bolts which hold this plastic in position. Now there are some clamps which hold this plastic in. Just pop them off like so on both sides, and there we go, it comes out. And first I'm going to remove the shock absorber, which is bolted over here. So with a 16mm wrench, I'm going to hold the nut on the back over here, and with a 16mm socket I will open loose the bolt. There we go. You can see the nut is out. Right, the bolt is out. Now you have two options. Either you open loose this bolt over here, either this one over here, then the suspension will fall down. So this bolt requires a 22mm socket on the top of the bolt over here, and on the back is a 21mm wrench which holds the nut. So I'm gonna go ahead and break loose the nut. Before you release the tension of the spring by opening this bolt, use a jack to hold the suspension frame and therefore avoid getting injured by the spring, which might be under a lot of pressure. So once the bolt is removed, you can use the jack to slowly lower the suspension support. Now with the support safely lowered, I can wiggle and take out the old spring. When installing the new one, on top over here, make sure that the end of the spring sits on this indentation. Otherwise you will hear strange noises while you are driving, and you might have to do this job again. Down here, hope you can see that, there is another indentation which should be synchronized with the one which is up. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna press on this suspension arm. After that, the process is the reverse. Jack up the support until you match the hole, then place the bolt in and tighten back the nut. Next is the shock absorber, which once again you must match the hole and insert the bolt, then secure it with a nut. Also, don't forget to add some thread locker to prevent vibrations to loosen them up, since the suspension assembly will take the most vibrations while driving. Finally, you can place back the plastic cover, mount back the wheel and test the springs for any noise or squeaks. It might be possible to hear some noises at the beginning, but they should go away after a few minutes of driving. Alright guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned for more car videos. And until next time, drive safe and I will see you soon.